In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep text in one cell in Google Sheets, whether you're organizing data for work, managing a personal project, or simply tidying up your digital life. Mastering text management in Google Sheets can make your workflow far more efficient. So let's dive right in and see how you can keep your text neat and contained within a single cell. To begin with, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. This is as simple as heading to your Google Drive and selecting the spreadsheet you wish to edit. If you haven't already, create a new sheet and get ready to customize the layout. Once your spreadsheet is open, your workspace is ready for you to manage your text more effectively. Our next step will involve highlighting the specific cells you want to adjust. In this demonstration, we'll be working with cells B2 to B5. To select these, simply click and drag your cursor over them, or click on each individually while holding the Control or Command key depending on your device. This selection will pinpoint exactly where you want your adjustments to take place. Next, you're going to access the menu to adjust how your text appears within these cells. Look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface, and you'll notice a toolbar packed with icons and options. Within this toolbar, find the icon that resembles an arrow inside a rounded box. This is your text wrapping tool. Click on this icon to open up the text wrapping options. Now, it's time to choose the Wrap option. Once you click on text wrapping, you'll see several icons that present different text formatting possibilities. Select the icon that looks like a backwards P or a Pilcrow symbol. This is the Wrap text option. Clicking on this ensures that when text entered exceeds the width of the cell, it will be displayed on multiple lines within the same cell. This wrapping keeps your data visible and organized without extending across multiple cells, which is particularly useful for readability and presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've managed to keep your text contained neatly within a single cell, making your spreadsheet much easier to read and manage. With this quick tip, you'll be able to handle data in Google Sheets more effectively, keeping your information tidy and neatly presented. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.